working in a creative production pipeline and found AIS files in the project assets. These are sequential vector graphics from Adobe's Premiere illustration tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what Illustrator sequence files are and how to work with them in your design workflow. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful AIS file inspection tool. AIS files are sequence or script files associated with Adobe Illustrator containing automated action sequences, saved illustration variants, or batch processing definitions. They may store sequential design iterations, automated task recordings, or scripted operations that Illustrator uses to process multiple artboards or apply repetitive design transformations efficiently. AIS files are sequence or script files associated with Adobe Illustrator containing automated action sequences, saved illustration variants, or batch processing definitions. They may store sequential design iterations, automated task recordings, or scripted operations that Illustrator uses to process multiple artboards or apply repetitive design transformations efficiently. The initial software setup links the AIS file directly to Adobe Illustrator by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows lacks editing support for scalable artwork, so proper use requires dedicated graphics software. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your AIS file and select Open With. Test Adobe Illustrator if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you cannot access the AIS file, no problem. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the AIS file won't cooperate. First, opening in Adobe Illustrator. Launch Adobe Illustrator and try opening the AIS file using File then Open, with the file type filter set to All Files. If Illustrator recognizes the format, it loads the content for viewing and editing. Check the Actions panel or Scripts menu if the file represents an automation sequence rather than a standard illustration document. Next, running as an action script. If the AIS file contains recorded actions, load it through Illustrator's Actions panel using the panel menu, then Load Actions. The imported action set appears in the Actions panel, ready to execute against open documents. Run individual actions or batch process multiple files using File then Scripts, or the batch command from the Actions panel. Finally, converting to standard formats. If the AIS file contains illustration data, open it in Illustrator and save as a standard AISVG EPS or PDF file using File then Save As. For batch export use, File then export for screens to output multiple artboards as PNG, SVG, or PDF. This ensures your designs are in widely compatible formats for sharing and collaboration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.